Hello friends, in this video we will see question 3 of exercise 8.2 chapter 8 trigonometry. The question says if tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degree less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree and angle a more than angle b, find the values of a and b. It is given that tan of a plus b is equal to root 3. We know tan 60 is equal to root 3, which gives us a plus b is equal to 60. Let this be equation 1. It is also given that tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. We also know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which gives us a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Let this be equation 2. Now adding both these equation 1 plus 2, a plus b is equal to 60 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. We get 2a is equal to 90, which in turn gives us a is equal to 90 by 2 is equal to 45. Now substituting a in equation 1, a plus b is equal to 60, b is equal to 60 minus a, which is equal to 60 minus 45 is equal to 50. Therefore, angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle B is equal to 15 degree, satisfying the question angle A more than angle B. Thank you.